What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So I want to give y'all a little quick update from my last video. So if you watched my last video, I had a problem with one of my rear tires, and towards the end I checked the other tire and I'll see if I will do it to the same thing for the other one. So I ended up doing it, and I'm gonna show you. I end up just getting another one also. But also, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We got some fresh content on this channel. This is the tire I had a problem with in the last video, but now we got a new tire for what this is the right rear, so this one's for the left rear. And if you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram. I got some fresh pics of the 540 and just things I do in life. I got the link in the description below. Alright, so now that we got that out the way, let's get to what this video is really about. And it's really about my front lip. I don't know if y'all noticed recently, but I don't have my front lip on. And I didn't break it, or I didn't crack it or anything. It's just like it faded on me over time. It just faded. Like, let me show y'all. Alright, y'all see this molding right here? You see like the color black it is? This is pretty much like new. And then here's my front lip. You see how like it's faded? It's like different. That's why I took it off. That's how it is. So I didn't like that. I didn't like how that's faded like that, and then the molding is black. Because before it used to match the same thing, but I didn't put anything on it. And the sun, like how it is now, probably just faded it over time. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Do me a favor. You see the little A1 logo in the corner? Click that and subscribe to your boy. So today we're gonna get into painting my front lip. Let me show y'all real quick. Yeah, this is her right here. This is the front lip to the Beamer. Goes like to the M5 bumper.
We're moving. Fighting.
We got my guy Keon right here. Keon, what are you doing to the IS?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, you don't know what you're doing.
I don't know. We
See.
just winging it.
Let's get in here.
We're trying to put.
You did this for the speakers.
I'm trying to put the rear ABS in.
Oh, the rear ABS, the wheel speed sensor?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, kid. Alright, y'all, this is the back side of it. Now we about to paint this bad boy. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use to paint the front lip. It's alright, it's semi-gloss, so it won't be crazy shiny. And I did the bucket method, so it's a little easier on the inside. Heat it up a little bit, spray better. Also, I don't know if y'all peeped the new fit right here. Straight Beam gang out here. But let's get to painting this lip. Alright, so we're gonna give this a little break to dry up. Another weight session. Alright, y'all, so I painted the lip. Y'all seen I did, you know, a couple coats and whatnot. This is how it is right now. It's a lot better. It's a lot better than before. Painted it up nice. So I'll let it dry for the rest of the day. I put it on tomorrow. So I'll continue the video tomorrow. Alright guys, next day. So let's see how this lip turned out. Boom, there she is. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. I think that's nice. I don't know, on the camera it might look the same, but in person it looks different. I can definitely tell it was faded before. So let me just go start the car, start the beast up, bring her in the driveway so it's a little easier to install. Alright, so I had a few screws right here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. What, really? Oh yeah, I had a few screws that go along here. So now, let me see, let me go get them. Yeah, I had these kinds were on there, so now I'm just gonna put them back on. Hopefully they stay on good. On now. Look at that. Ooh. Straight fire right there.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
See, I know y'all want to see her when she's aired out. So, damn, that thing is slammed right there. Look at that. She kissing the ground. What? What? Yeah, it's a lot better. Definitely. Definitely a lot better. Well, that wraps things up here with this video. I'm happy how that lip came out. I'm digging it. I hope y'all are digging it. Cause that thing is clean. That thing's pretty mint right now. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy. Leave a like for this video. Comment down in the section below. And I'll catch you on the next one.